Well, if you're waiting for the original, made by Pops himself, pineapple sundaes, solid koa wood, made in Hawaii, then I got an ukulele for you. This one is called Dragon's Flame. Hi, I'm Terry Carter, and if you're into pineapple sundaes, I happen to be one of the experts pineapple sundae on the planet, and I do a lot of videos and tutorials and reviews of these amazing instruments. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on that bell notification. And if you want this particular one, this is why I'm doing the video, this one right here. This one is available at my store. That's store.ukelikethepros.com. And I'll talk a little bit more about that at the end. Anyway, this is it. This is a real deal. Let me play a little bit and then we're gonna go over this entire thing. Now, I happen to have 3 of these myself. These are becoming more and more rare to get. Pops is not making them as much as he used to, and they're not that frequent. So the fact that I even got this one, I'm very excited about. I would love just to keep every one of these, because the reality is that these are going to do nothing but go up in value over time, because these are made by Pops himself. And if you don't know Pops, go to the KoAloha factory, do a tour, meet him. He's an amazing spirit. He's an amazing musician. He's an amazing ukulele builder. And he brings his experience, he brings his love, he brings everything into these one of a kind. He's the only one that makes these. Like, he's the one that does this himself. Okay, so you really want to add this, one of these pineapple sundaes to your collection. So anyway, let's just go over this beautiful thing. So we got a concert body, by the way. Look at this koa wood. That's solid koa wood. I mean, that's premium, beautiful koa wood, not only with the lines this way, but you got all the beautiful grain that goes this way as well. A little bit of the quilting, a little bit of the flame as well. And a new shape. If you're a pineapple sundae aficionado, look at the new shape of these things too. Beautiful koa wood, dark koa wood on the side with these beautiful lines. This little piece is what connects these 2 pieces of wood together. And then if you know anything about pineapple sundaes, this is all one solid piece of wood. So there's no line in the middle like most ukuleles. And then you got the other side, just beautiful, just gorgeous, gorgeous wood. And then check out the back. I mean, this is, wow, such a beautiful back here. Just the beautiful koa wood, just the beautiful grain patterns, the flaming, the quilting. It's just absolutely stunning. It does have a nice satin finish on it. Check this out, both not only this way. Wow, spectacular. And then also this way right here. This is amazing. So as I mentioned, concert body, but this has a tenor neck here. So it's like a super concert, something might say. So what I mean by that is the scale length is a tenor. So if you like a little bit longer of a neck like I do, but you like the smaller body of a concert, then this is cool. These things have the most unique sound. You will never find another ukulele that sounds quite like these pineapple sundaes. They all sound slightly different, but they all have a very unique sound to them. So let me do a little more playing and then we'll talk about the rest of this thing. And what I mean by that is that they have just a beautiful resonance to them. They have beautiful, I mean, that sound, it just explodes off this top. And I think it just has to do with the Pops design here. It also has to do with the bracing that he does, because he's building these things for this sound. Right, these aren't just built, yeah, they look super cool. Yeah, they look freaking awesome, but they also are built for this particular sound. And Pops is very, very particular on how he likes these things to sound. All right, so let's check out this neck here. We got a tenor neck. This is a mahogany neck, solid mahogany. It's also got like a satin finish to it, just like the body here. You got these really nice gear tuners here. We got the Pops headstock here, similar to KoAloha, but different, as you can see. I like them. I think they're cool. And then you have the pineapple sundae just right there inlay into the thing. You also have the new bone nut and saddle here. You have the ebony fretboard, and then I think these are just Koa wood fret markers. How cool are those as well? And then, like I mentioned, the 17-inch scale from here to here, 17 inches right there. So super concert. These are great sounding. These are just, I mean, I can't say enough. I have 3 of them if I didn't mention it already, and I would love to keep this one as well, but this one will be up at my store. Let me do one more piece of playing, and I'll talk about some of the perks here at ukelikethepros. All right, I always got to throw in a little bit of blues there. So anyway, this one is the one that you actually will get. This one is called Dragon's Flame up at store.ukelikethepros.com. And some of the things that I throw in when you get these things is, first of all, you're going to get a hard shell case. And what I use is the Ohana Super Concert cases. And they're the ones that fit the best for these things. So it has this smaller body here, but it has the extra length to fit this tenor neck. It's the same ones that I use on the pineapple sundaes that I own. You also get a free course up at ukelikethepros.com. Yes, we will ship this thing anywhere in the world, fully insured, of course. And also, you do get the better than the weather warranty. Pops is a lifetime warranty on this thing if you have any issues with it due to the manufacturing. And I've seen it done before. Pops will actually fix or replace. Can you imagine that? Replace a pineapple sundae if needed. So anyway, you got that to back you up. So anyway, this is Dragon's Flame. This is a gorgeous. This is the only one I have up on the store. This probably won't last long, but if this is something you've been waiting for, made by Pops himself, then this would be an amazing one to jump on.